Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is me Vishrachanna. Today I'll introduce a useful EAI assessment tool called Edpuzzle. Edpuzzle is an online platform that helps teachers turn simple videos into interactive lessons by adding questions and explanations. It is especially useful for formative assessment because teachers can check students' understanding during the lesson. And it is also used to assess students while they are learning. Instead of giving questions at the end, teacher can insert questions inside a video. Now here you can see the dashboard where are multiple videos. You can choose subject. For example, I'm choosing computer science. You can choose any option like type, duration, contents, country and grade level. You will, for example, I choose computer science. Now you can see there are multiple videos related to computer science. So it is your choice. You can choose any type of video related to your subject. Now move towards another option which is quizzes. Here you can see multiple quizzes from beginners to intermediate, from intermediate to advanced. You can choose any type of quiz related to your subject. You can search here. Now move towards another option which is my content. In my content you can see this is all the content created by me. These all are my quizzes which I generated. These are my PPT slides and here are my videos which I ate from the dashboard from the discovered part. Now this is my school where I can see my community teachers and these are my classes which I conducted. Now in this option I can also create my class. You can connect your LMS class. For example, if you are taking class at Google Classroom, you can connect that with this app. You can connect every app you choose from these options. You can connect that app with this tool. Now create the class name. I will add the name of the class which is mathematics and description is optional. You can choose grade level. My grade level is 8th and top subject is mathematics. I choose the option open so students can join the code to attend my class. Now I can also generate my assignments here. For example, I am generating. Here you can see that as soon as I clicked on create slide option, the uploaded file option appeared. Now when you click on it, your documents will open. From there you can select your slides content and upload it here and your slides will be generated. As you can see, my slides have been generated. Now I can simply use this to teach students through a PPT. This is my PPT and I can share the link with my students. So now move towards all the content I had already prepared before the class. Now I'll simply add my video and a quiz related to my grade 8 topic, subject mathematics. At this stage, I just need to add the title while the instructions are optional. As you can see, my class has already been created. I will click on next option, then select assign and finally click on share assignment. Once I click the share option, a link is generated. I send this link to my students so they can join and that's how I started my class. Here you can see one of my student Alina has already joined and now this is the video I edited for my lecture.
Types of fractions. Review. Hello children. Today let us revise fractions. A fraction is a part of a whole. It represents one or more equal parts of a whole object. Look at the fraction 3/4. The number above the line is the numerator. It indicates the number of equal parts considered. The line is called fraction bar or division bar. The number below the fraction bar is called the denominator. It indicates the total number of equal parts the whole is divided into. Kids, a fraction is also a part of a set. Look at an example. Take a set of 4 bottles. 3 are red and 1 is green. Here, we say 3/4 of the bottles are red. When 2 or more fractions are given, depending on the value of their denominators, they can be
As you watch the video, you will notice that I have added a question, what is the fraction? I included this question to check whether students are actively listening and watching the video and to ensure they are understanding it rather than just skipping through. You can see one of the students has already responded. Now you can see their responses. One of the student has answered part of whole and other has the number that shows equal part of whole.
Fractions. Like fractions. Fractions with the same denominators are called like fractions. For example, 1 upon 4, 3 upon 4, etc. Unlike fractions. Fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. For example, 5 upon 8, 5 upon 3, 2 upon 7, etc. Now, let us revise the types of fractions.
You can see another question is displayed on the screen along with the answer options and students are responding in real time. Now move towards another quiz which I have already generated, percentage quiz, and I have already shared the link with my students. These were my students and now you can see the question is displayed on the screen with answer options and students are responding in real time. Here, the timer is running, which helps students complete the task on time. You can also see students' names and their progress during the activity. Edpuzzle can be used in schools, colleges, and online classes, in computer labs, or at home. It is suitable for grade 5 to higher classes. It is used for mathematics, science, English, and other subjects. You can see I have added MCQs, open-ended questions and polls so students can also write answers in their own words through open-ended questions. At the end of the quiz, you will see students' names along with their scores and progress. Edpuzzle is an excellent EAI assessment tool for teachers. It helps teachers make lessons interactive, assess students during learning, track progress easily, improve mathematics understanding. It is easy to use, engaging, and effective for modern classrooms.